How to create and process billings and invoices. Welcome to the child-friendly training video on creating billings at your center. Before starting, make sure to watch the videos on viewing and setting up the family ledger. Begin by selecting the Finance module. In the Finance module, you'll find all billing and payment information. Here, you can view billings for specific periods for all registered families. Use the search bar to locate a particular student or family. The first column displays the child's details, including registration and billing information. You'll see the registration date, current program, billing amount and date, as well as the billing rate. These details update automatically with any program or rate changes. Note that this column does not mean the family has been billed. It simply displays the information of all children for that period that are actively registered and what they should be billed. Once the family has actually been billed, the second column will populate with their total family billing breakdown. As shown in this example, there's a tuition amount of $900. Any discounts or additional fees, like meal services or employee discounts, appear here. In this example, there's a meal service fee of $100. The Invoices and Credit Memos column breaks the billing down further by displaying the details on a per-sponsor basis. You'll see invoices here total up to the overall billing amount. For Russell's billings, Regina and Adam each cover 50% of the capped tuition of $326.25. Regina also pays for the meal service in addition to tuition. In this scenario, the Alberta Affordability Grant covers the remaining tuition after personal sponsor contributions, allocating $573.75 from the $900. The next column shows payments or refunds. Check if a parent paid via e-transfer or PAD. Note that e-transfers require manual recording by the admin. Manually record e-transfers as received. If using pre-authorized debit payments, the system automatically processes them and updates the payment status. Use the Add Memo option to attach notes to payments or invoices. You can also click the Preview Invoice toggle on Invoices or the Preview Statements icon on Billings to see a full comprehensive breakdown of the invoice or billing respectively. Once billings are generated, invoices are automatically sent to personal sponsors via the parent app. However, if parents request a print or email copy, this option is available. Select the sponsors to email the invoice or statement and click Email PDF. To see all invoices for a specific month, choose the month using the calendar, then click Apply. You can now view all billings, invoices, and payments for the selected month. Alternatively, search by date range. Open the calendar, select the range option, and pick your dates. To find a child or family, type their name in the search bar and click Apply to filter their billing information. You'll see only relevant billings. Each month, enter the Finance module to generate billings, usually in bulk unless for a single family. Select the month for which to create invoices and click Apply. Select the Billings checkbox, then choose between Generate Billing with Credits or Generate Billing without Credits. Generating with credits will apply all available credits or overpayments on a family's ledger to the respective sponsor's invoice. Once bills are generated, review the breakdown for each family. That's all you do to generate billings and invoices each month. Next, learn how to edit a billing. Edits are needed for corrections or new line items. To add a line item, click the green plus icon at the bottom right of the billing. First, select the responsible sponsor or payer, then choose a line item to specify the additional charge. Verify the amount, then click Submit. A new invoice will be added to the billing. Currently, the tuition is $1,050. Adding a new tuition line item will sum with the existing amount, raising it to $1,090. Now, let's discuss creating a custom billing for one-time charges like field trips or penalties. Click the plus icon to the right of the Billings column header to create a one-off billing, select the family, and choose the child for the billing. Select the line item, then enter or edit the amount set in the catalog. Select the Credit Counterpart box if you would like to create an offsetting credit on the ledger for the same amount as the billing. For example, if a family pays a deposit that should remain on their account as a credit toward future tuition, you would enter the deposit amount and check the Credit Counterpart box. Once finished, click Submit to process the billing. Next, find the newly created billing with its corresponding invoice. The invoice will remain unassigned to any specific person if multiple parents or sponsors exist. In the Invoices and Credit Memos column, select the drop-down beside Assign to allocate the invoice to the correct sponsor. Click Save to confirm the change. The item will now appear on the selected parent or sponsor's invoice. Note: custom billings can also be added via the Families module in their ledger. Specify the payment method for the new amount. If parents use pre-authorized debit, a PAD icon will appear. PAD can also be processed in bulk by selecting all families for bulk payments. Refer to the payments training video for more details on adding a manual, PAD, and bulk payments. Sometimes children will register and start after the billings for a period have already been generated. If this occurs, simply use the filter icon to find registrations without billings. You'll identify any pending billings. Regularly check through the month to ensure no new mid-month starting children are missed. You can delete a billing before a payment is made. For example, if a child's withdrawal date was missed, locate the payment, select the 3 dots, and choose Delete Billing. This removes the billing from the system. Note: manual payments such as e-transfers that were recorded in error can be deleted, but PAD and credit card payments are processed and reconciled automatically and cannot be undone. You will instead have to create a credit and refund for such situations. Please see our How to Create Credits and Refunds video training for more details. This concludes the training on creating billings.